Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. I am so excited today because I have a new box to the channel and it is the Kiwi Eco Box. So let's get in here and I'll tell you all about it. Kiwi Eco Box reached out to me and asked if I would like to review this for the channel, and I said 100% yes. You guys know, if you watch the channel, I talk all the time about how I'm trying to go cleaner and greener and use less plastic, and even with my body, make better choices. So this is a box all about that. So when they reached out, I was all in. Plus, if you have any interest in this when I'm done, I will put a link in my code, which is just Kathrin10 below, and that will get you 10% off your first box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. I will get this open and then I will read to you a little bit about it. I have notes here because whenever I do a box the first time, I want to be sure and tell you everything that is important about the box. So when we open it up, it says Kiwi on the inside, has a cute little kiwi bird. It's wrapped very nicely. We have a little piece of paper. Oh, it's a thank you note. We'll read that in a second when I get my glasses on. Oh, and look, all of our products are wrapped, but they're wrapped in paper, not plastic. I love that. With the Kiwi Eco Box, their date is the 15th. After the 15th of the month, you get the next month's box. So if you sign up now, you will get the November box. And the note says, Kathrin, thank you so much for your support and a big thank you for choosing Living Green. Best, Kate and Natalie. And I am absolutely trying when I can to live as green as possible. The other side has a QR code on it, which I suspect will tell us about everything we have inside. In case, like me, you are new to Kiwi Eco Box, let me tell you that they say, we believe we can make this world a better place, reducing plastic pollution and keeping our planet healthier. Small steps can lead to big changes. And if not you, who would take care of our Mother Earth? We are here to help you to adjust your lifestyle and slowly implement zero waste and plastic-free essentials into your daily routine, or inspire a loved one to make the switch. And the box is $24.99 for 1 month, $69.99 quarterly, which comes out to $23.33 a box, and $269.99 yearly, which comes out to $22.50 a box. And it's 100% eco-friendly, but let's get in here. I have tried to make so many changes. Like you guys see my Grove unboxings. I try and use refillable things as much as I can as opposed to buying new squirt bottles. There are some things that I like that don't come like that yet, but I figure every small change helps. So first we have a bag. Let's see what's it. Oh, from now on, look in the bag before you just go to dump them out in your hand, because these are Q-tips and they are the wooden Q-tips, and it's a bag full. That is, I mean, it's just going to be the kinds of things that you can use in your everyday life. I just used the QR code and it actually gave me a little bit of information. So I will tell you a little bit about each of them. And this is a pack of 60 cotton swabs, 100% biodegradable, so you can reduce your plastic waste, made from sustainable materials with no fossil fuels, no carbon footprint in manufacturing, and 100% compostable and biodegradable packaging. So like I said, these are just going to be things that you use in your day-to-day life, but that are better. Better because of the packaging or how they're made, just a better ecological choice. Okay, reaching in next, and right on top, we have something big. I think it's a bag. Oh my goodness, it is so big. Wow. Oh, it's got a nice handle. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. How big this is. And the top is kind of triangular and it just opens, and your carry handle is, it looks kind of like a scrunchie, but it doesn't pull, it's solid. But it's so cool looking. Let's read about this. So they tell us that this is a multi-purpose tote bag, and it says that this is a reusable cotton grocery tote bag. You could get so many groceries in here. I mean, I guess if you wore it across your shoulder, it would take up a lot of that part. And then it would, oh yeah, it hangs at a perfectly, it probably hangs to the ends of my fingertips when I put my arm down beside it. So once you've put it on and taken up, you know, this space with your arm, at that point it does seem like something you'd put your groceries in. That you can also use it as a book tote bag, a shopper tote bag, a beach tote bag, a travel tote bag, or a boat tote bag. I would also argue you could use it as a laundry tote bag. It is handmade in Austin, Texas, using natural, unbleached, 100% cotton fabric. And it is machine washable. And then they go on to give us even more great ideas, like as a yoga bag, because it would fit your yoga mat in it, heading out to camp. So there are just a million great ideas, but it's just a nice, washable, reusable shopping tote. Reaching in next, I had to read about what this is, and it is a wool lint remover. So the top just has teeth. That's what that looks like. See how it's just kind of got teeth across it, and you would just, oh, don't do it on your cotton. It kind of grabs, but you would just drag it across wool. It talked about getting lint off of wool, but I bet it would work with pilling too. So this is one of those things that if you don't think about it before you need it, when you want it, you don't have it. Wow, that sounded convoluted, but it's true. But having it around pre-winter, I'm gonna feel very clever when it comes time to clean off one of my sweaters before a video. Reaching in next, I have a Kiwi Premium Handmade Soap in pumpkin spice. I am so excited about this. See, with my nails, pumpkin spice, ooh. Let's see what it smells like. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. It's really heavy on the spice. I can smell the spice a lot. I can't really smell the pumpkin. When I take it out of the packaging, that's what it looks like. I mean, it's a good size. It's bigger than the palm of my hand. I mean, that's a really good size soap. Oh my goodness, that smells so good. Indulge yourself with the fall scent of this pumpkin spice handmade soap. You will feel as if you're bathing in a giant pumpkin pie, and what could be better than that? This autumn creation is a decorative square bar soap that is beautifully fragranced and is sure to meet all of your cleansing or decorative needs. It is all natural, real pumpkin, real spices, real handmade soap with no chemicals and no preservatives. It is antibacterial, organic, cruelty-free, and handmade, 100% zero waste, now beautifully wrapped in recyclable paper. It is scented with the essential oils of cinnamon, ginger, cardamom, clove, and nutmeg. And yeah, it smells fantastic. I would actually just buy this. I don't think you can go to their website and just buy things. I would be interested in knowing that. I will go to the site and I will let you know here because this soap smells amazing. Yeah, it really does. Okay, next, I have a little bag. That is what that looks like. It is a Sisal exfoliating soap bag. So you would just put your soap in here and it will suds up when you use it, and then this will exfoliate you. That is what that looks like. I think it would also be great to, like, you know when you're finishing up soaps and you have all the little pieces? That would be great to put in here. Save up a few of your little pieces and then you'd have this for exfoliating and you'd never have any waste. See? No waste. I'm on board. But it's made out of Sisal and you would just put your soap in and boop. What appealed to me about this is it's just a box of things that you'll use. You know, we get so many things that I get and I love and I set aside, or it waits its turn in line until I need it. And I will be using these things just here in a minute. Just for the record, I went over the paperwork one more time, and the Sisal that this is made from is 100% natural fiber that comes from the agave cactus family, just so you know. And reaching in last, I have a silicone lunch bag, and that is what that looks like. And it just unzips at the top. You know, it zips and locks. You know what I'm saying? And then you have a good seal, and then you have to literally pull it back apart. Let me tell you what they say about it. Our silicone lunch bags are thicker and last longer than others. Use and reuse for all kinds of storage needs. Great for freezer, lunch boxes, refrigerator, baby snacks, and much more. Extremely durable, dishwasher, and microwave safe. That is amazing in reading that it can go in the freezer and in the microwave. I mean, that makes it so much, at least for me, that makes it so much more usable. Platinum food grade silicone is safe for use in the freezer, microwave, dishwasher, boiling water, and the oven up to 400 degrees. Keep the freshness and nutrients, flavors, and juices in your food safely. Our double thick pinch lock seal features an innovative airtight seal to keep food fresh, to store, and to marinate. It says it is 20 ounces and has no plastic smell. That is, so think about how many Ziploc bags you could replace using this. I have some of these that are the thinner silicone. You guys have seen me get them from Grove. I get them each season because it comes with a small, a medium, and a large. And I use them, I use the heck out of them, and I really like them. So I have limited how many Ziplocs. I have reduced my plastic so much in the last year or two that it makes me proud. I just love, I mean, with grandkids now, it makes me a little more introspective about what I'm actually putting back out there. So I am happy to use products like that. That is my first Kiwi Eco Box, and I think I read somewhere that it's their 5th box. So this is 100% usable for me. I will use all of these things in my day-to-day life, so I'm happy to do that, and I'm happy for the choices that it helps me make using these as opposed to some of the choices that I was making. So again, if you have any interest in this at all, I will put my link below, and my code is Kathrin10, and it will get you 10% off your first subscription. Now, if you would like to see what's going to be in the November box, which is what you would get if you sign up now, I'm gonna show you a picture. I captured it off the internet because I wanted to show you guys, if you thought about signing up for November, what you would get. So this is it. So the picture shows that the November box will be all natural deodorant, silicone food grade lids, which if you like the ones that were in the Causebox but you don't belong to Causebox, or you wish that you had more, silicone food grade lids, a tongue scraper with a travel case, a plantable sprout pencil that's basil. So after you use the pencil, you can plant what's left and you get basil. How cool is that? That would be kind of cute if you wanted to do it with a child. That would be kind of fun. I mean, not that adults can't do it. I would totally do it. Is the Sisal exfoliating backstrap and a loofah sponge. So that will be the November box. If it's something you're interested in and you sign up now, that would be the first box that you get. So let me know below what you guys think about this. If you've made any changes recently in your life since we've been home, because 2020. Since we have been home, we have been so much more aware of what we use around the house, and it's kind of been easier because when you're in the house and you're not leaving as much, it's easier to use items that are recyclable because you're not taking it to work and then having to carry it back home too. So it kind of makes it a little bit easier, but I'm hoping that I'm forming habits that once we're out of this, I will carry forward into leaving the house again. Anyway. Thank you so much for coming by, guys, and checking out the new Kiwi Eco Box. I appreciate you taking the time to do that. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have new videos coming out, and I will see you really soon. Bye, guys.